In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshbooks as a sole trader. Welcome! Whether you're just starting on your entrepreneurial journey or looking to streamline your accounting processes, Freshbooks can be an excellent tool for managing your business finances efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make your way to the Freshbooks website, where you should create an account tailored to your specific business needs. After signing up, you'll be prompted to enter your personal and business details. This includes important information such as your company name, the industry you're in, and the currency you intend to use. It's a good idea to take a moment here to also customize your invoices. Add your logo, choose colors that represent your brand, and decide on your preferred layout to give your invoices a professional and unique touch. Once your account is set up, managing clients and invoices becomes straightforward. Head to the Invoices tab to create a new invoice. You can either select an existing client from your contact list or create a new client profile if it's their first time doing business with you. Here, you'll also give each invoice a unique number along with the issuance and due dates. Describe the services or products provided, making sure to include rates and quantities. Don't forget to set up payment details, including your preferred online payment options. You can also apply any discounts or late fees where applicable. Before sending, review the invoice thoroughly to ensure all details are accurate and then send it off via email. FreshBooks even allows you to track the invoice status, providing updates on whether it has been viewed or paid. Tracking your income and expenses is another critical feature you'll want to utilize. Your dashboard gives you a clear overview of both, helping you stay on top of your finances. By connecting your bank account, you can import transactions automatically. For expenses incurred while on the go, the mobile app's receipt scanner is an invaluable tool to capture and store receipts conveniently. It's wise to categorize your expenses. This not only aids in keeping organized records, but simplifies things when tax season rolls around. Speaking of taxes, FreshBooks offers robust reporting tools to make preparation a breeze. Generate reports such as income statements and expense summaries to gauge your business's financial health. These reports are essential for understanding how your business is performing and will be your best friend when getting ready for taxes. If needed, you can even share them directly with your accountant. And there you have it. With FreshBooks, managing your finances as a sole trader can be smooth and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of FreshBooks. Until next time, happy accounting!